Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in mobile tech for you. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to activate your Leica SIM card in 2025. Whether you're switching carriers or getting a new line, this process is quick and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have your Leica SIM card handy, along with your phone and any activation details that came with it. Start by powering off your device, then locate the SIM card slot, usually on the side or under the back cover, and gently insert the SIM card. Once that's done, turn your phone back on and ensure it's connected to Wi-Fi or has mobile data available, as you'll need internet for the next steps. Now, head over to the Leica mobile website or open the Leica app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're in, look for the Activate SIM option. You'll be prompted to enter some details, like your SIM card number, which is printed on the card itself, and your phone's IMEI number. Don't worry if you don't know where to find the IMEI. Just dial *#06# on your phone, and it'll pop up. After entering the required information, verify your identity. This might involve a quick SMS code sent to your new number or an email confirmation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. It's all about security, so it's worth the extra minute. Once verified, hit that Activate button, and your SIM should be good to go. Pro tip: if you run into any issues, like activation errors, double-check your details or contact Leica customer support through their app or website. They usually respond fast. After activation, test your connection by making a call, sending a text, or browsing the web to ensure everything's working smoothly. And there you have it. Your Leica SIM card is now activated and ready for 2025's best mobile experience. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.